All right, Mark here at the 2021 Lake Havasu Boat Show. This is our 2021 27 Speedster, twin 400 outboards. We have a 12-inch Simrad dash, twin screens. This customer chose to do more of a traditional vinyl interior. We do have some suede accents on this one. Nicely finished side panels. We still have our foot locker here. Finished cabin with twin igloo coolers underneath. So back here we have, this is kind of new for our outboard models. We're doing a finished tub underneath the hatch. Twin buoy storage with a hideaway bimini. This boat with twin 400s will run about 115 to 120 miles an hour and has a starting price of about $260,000. Eddy Marine steering wheel, push button controls, and of course with all the Mercury Racing engines we have our DTS controls as well. Gator step flooring. We have drains in the rear so you can hose the boat out, hose all the sand out. All right, so this is kind of a new thing for Eliminator. We are having the Scott Porte hydraulic transom lifts on every boat. They do have a hydraulic ram inside, and they lift the prop shaft up, and so we can get more of the nose cone out of the water, and it does eliminate the cavitation issues that most catamarans have with outboard applications. It does come factory with every outboard Speedster, so it's just something to look forward to. And that's it on this one. Thanks, guys.